Wikidatas.com.
Everybody would like to have a bright smile. A great white smile is what we always would love to, and this bright smiles can be marred with all the stains you are having. So now the stains, we'd love to have all the food which we can have. We would like to try out so many things, but most of these things, especially the nutritious stuff which we hear all around, like green tea, white tea, and all those some of those things are actually, even the turmeric milk, which is a big fad nowadays, has the ability to stain the teeth. So what exactly are the stains and how we can treat it is all about in this new video. See, please understand that there are two types of stains. There is an extrinsic stain and there is intrinsic stain. See, extrinsic stain is something which is on top of your enamel, and intrinsic stain is when it goes below the enamel or which goes inside. So there are two types of stain. Extrinsic stains can be removed by different ways. That is, how do you get extrinsic stain? By using something like, one is like tobacco, like if you are a smoker or if you are a pan chewing person, you can get extrinsic stain. Or even if you have like lime tea or green tea, and there are different types of teas, there are different types of coffees. If you are a regular drinker who doesn't wash your teeth regularly, then you can get stains. So that is one thing. Or even turmeric, if you are using a turmeric on a regular basis in your mouth, then you can get a yellow stain also. So brown stains are basically because of the tea, coffee, and even your smoking or even pan. All these things are brown in color. There are black stains. Black stains are basically primarily due to bacterial stains or even mouthwashes. Some of the mouthwashes causes dark black stains. Even some of these Ayurvedic drugs, like Ayurvedic medicines which you drink, or even iron tonic, all these things are dark black in color. Iron tonic, Ayurvedic drugs, or even your bacterial stains, all these are black in color. There are yellow stains, that is because of the turmeric or even colored food. Some of the colored foods which you eat can give you yellow stains. All these things are extrinsic in nature, so it's very easy. You can go to the dentist, do a polish, clean and polish, most of these stains will be off. But bacterial stains can come back very easily because it's caused by chromogenic bacteria, can come back easily. But all these stains can be stopped by you stopping the whatever you are doing. That is one. If you are doing a smoking, stop it. If you are doing a pan chewing, stop it. Or if you are drinking too much of tea, you have to brush your teeth after your teas. So all these things can actually correct your stains. Now there are intrinsic stains. Intrinsic stains are basically due to drugs, or even nowadays what we are seeing is this there are things that you use for your temporary tattoos and even tattoos. Say temporary tattoos is like putting a small that mylangi thing for all this weddings and things like that. There are people who are working on that, but most of the time what they use to open that thing is actually their own teeth. So they open it and there is a small amount of mylangi which goes into their mouth. So these can actually stain the teeth intrinsically because it goes deeper into the enamel or even dentin, and this cannot be removed. So please make sure that you open your mylangi or whatever is there with your own with a small scissors rather than in the mouth, because it can actually go in the mouth and give you intrinsic stain. There is other reason is actually using tetracyclines or even fluorides. Some of the fluorides that are taken, especially there are people who are living in the high fluoride content water, there when they have it, and even if you have tetracyclines and things like that, it can actually give you an intrinsic stain inside the tooth. Such stains cannot be removed, and then we will have to remove the enamel and put a new enamel for them so that it looks stain free. So these are the two things. Extrinsic stains can be removed, intrinsic stains has to be treated with veneers or crowns or things like that. So still we can, whether whatever stain is there, we can actually treat them and get it corrected. So don't worry about stains. You will have a brighter, whiter teeth. if it is treated properly. There are some of the teeth which are actually stained as it is, as it erupts. Even that can be corrected with veneers or crowns. So don't worry about your stains, get it treated, get it corrected. If it is due to some of your habits, please stop it and then we can correct it also. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great and bright smile. Thank you very much.
Wikidartist.com